When once asked in an interview what is her favorite body part, Alia Bhatt replied saying her collarbones. And she sure does find ways to flaunt them in her look. Hi, it's Anukriti Vas and welcome to Bollywood on a Budget. For her mother's birthday celebration, Alia kept the look low-key and chic in a pink off-the-shoulder midi dress. She kept the styling clean with her hair pulled back, dewy makeup and no accessories. Her dress is from Mara Hoffman and costs around 40k. And now obviously I can do better and get you guys a budget look. So let me show you what I have for you. Here I'm wearing a red off-the-shoulder midi dress that I bought from Cover Story for 3k only. I picked the color red because it's more versatile, luscious and honestly more my vibe. Just like Alia, I've kept the styling minimal too. That is my look for the day. I'll see you guys next time. My go-to outfit for day events? A floral dress, and Alia seems to have the same style mounted. For a daytime birthday celebration, Alia was wearing a peach mini dress that featured a ruffled hemline. The dress is from Summer Somewhere and she styled it with neon heels from Aldo. The dress plus the shoes will cost you around 15,000 rupees. Now here is my budget version of this look. I found this cute floral dress from New Look on Myntra for rupees 1600. The puffy sleeves and the ruffled hem of the dress just like Alia's. Style this look with mustard yellow heels to add a pop of color. I bought these for only $7.99 from Dressberry. And there you go. I have my daytime girly look just for 2400. And that is all from today's episode. I'll see you guys next time.
If you are a young and a broke girl like me, then Alia Bhatt's minimalistic yet stylish looks can truly serve as inspiration. Hi, I am Elisha and this is Celeb Style Playbook for Broke Girls, where I help you look like a celebrity but on a budget. Fashion experts all over the world say, when in doubt, pick neutral hues. They never go out of style and are fail-proof. Doing just that was Alia Bhatt, who was seen wearing a beige button-down Nanushka dress. Wavy hair aside, she rounded out the look with her trusty PVC sandals. The dress had an asymmetrical button-down detail and a matching belt around the waist to pull the look together. The dress and the shoes combined will cost you around 50,000 rupees. But it's time for my recreation of the look. So here I am wearing a similar button-down dress from Mango. As you can see, the dress has similar thick straps and a square neckline just like Alia's. I've styled the look with PVC and mesh booties and a belt around the waist to round my look. The heels and the dress together cost me just 4,000 rupees. Good steal, na? Alright guys, this is my look for the day. And now it's time for me to go head out and scout for some more looks. I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.
Hey everyone, I'm Shikha and today we're breaking down Alia Bhatt's look from her debut film Student of the Year. Alia's entry scene itself establishes that she is a fashion icon in her school. She's the popular it girl and she dresses accordingly. The color palette that she's picked is very bright and fiery. She's seen wearing colors such as pink, red, yellow, green and even neon sometimes. There are two main elements in the silhouettes of her outfits. Most of her outfits are either A-line and fit and flare and they have a sweetheart neckline. She was also seen wearing a lot of big designer labels and designer handbags. One major handbag that she was seen carrying consistently through the movie was the Furla Candy, which after the movie went on to become very popular. Again, since she's wearing A-line dresses and fit and flare dresses, there's a lot of volume to the skirts and the bottom wear that she's wearing. Her style describes the epitome of girly dressing or girly wear. Even if she's wearing a pair of shorts, she'll style it with a lacy top to make it a little bit girlier. So let me show you how you can get Shania's look. Let's call our model in. So as you guys can see over here, I've picked a very girly dress. Instead of going for a bright color the way Shania would wear, I've gone for a more muted tone over here because I feel like it just makes it a little bit more trendier and modern. It is also a wrap style dress that has a matching belt to cinch the waist in. And of course, since the theme is matching, we've also given a pair of matching footwear which have tones of blue and floral print on it to make it a little bit more interesting and splashing a little bit more print into the look. Alia used to wear a lot of headbands, but headbands again are a little bit passe. But what's really trending is small hair clips that you can try. So over here we've given this really cute hair clip which again has a floral detail on it. And that is how you can dress like Shania in a chic and classy way. I'll see you next time. Bye. Alia Bhatt defined fusion dressing with her look in the movie Two States, and that's exactly what we're breaking down today. Whether it was for her college looks or when she was going to work, Alia always had desi elements in her outfit with a touch of western looks as well. So she was mostly seen wearing tank tops with a flowy cotton skirt which was printed or in a bright color, and her tank top on the other hand would be in a solid color. She would also wear basic t-shirts with her flowy maxi skirts, and she would layer it with either a sleeveless vest or wear a stole with her look. She was also seen wearing a lot of short shorts with kurtas which were either cotton or chiffon to create that see-through effect. She also added a lot of elements of denim in her desi look to make it very fusion. So say for example, she would wear a pair of denim shorts with a tank top and then layer it with either a embroidered or printed stole or add a printed vest to her look. In terms of her accessories, it was not modern chic at all. She kept it very desi to maintain that touch of boho-ness and fusion-ness to her look. So let's call the model in. So as you can see over here on Anjali, we've recreated one of the looks that Alia would wear to college, where she wore a cotton maxi skirt. She would usually pick solid color tops with jewel toned maxi skirts that look festive and very Indian. So that's exactly what we've done over here. We've gone with a nice blue color that has a hint of gold in it. And to match that gold and keep the top in a warmer tone, I've paired the white basic crop top with a vest over here, which again has a burst of print on it and matches the warm gold in the skirt. So this is how you can mix and match your outfits when you're looking to play with multiple colors. If you don't want to wear something that has short sleeves or you want to go sleeveless, you could pick a basic white ganji or tank top as well. That will look great too. What you could also do is pick a square neckline and add an oxidized necklace. For accessories over here, we've given really simple plain jhumkas and stacked bracelets up to give it a nice boho effect. I feel like this look is perfect for college. It's comfortable, it's vibrant, it's festive, and if you're into boho and fusion dressing, so that's how you can get Alia's look from the movie. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.